Hey, property managers, let's talk about something that hits you right in the wallet. Vacancy. Every single day a rental unit sits empty. It's like watching money just vanish. Think about it. A $1,200 apartment vacant for just 1 month? That's a straight $1,200 loss in rent. And that's before you even factor in the costs for cleaning, repairs, and all the prep work to get it market ready again. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I can handle the clean out myself. But let's be real. Without professional help, those cleanouts can drag on forever. Tenant junk sits there for days, sometimes weeks. The unit isn't ready, showings get pushed back, and the vacancy period just keeps stretching out. Every delay means more lost rent piling up. Let's do some simple math. A DIY cleanout could easily leave your property vacant for 30 days or even more. But with a professional team, you're looking at a turnaround of just 7 to 14 days. That's a difference of 16 to 23 days. On that same $1,200 unit, you've just lost between $600 and $900 simply by trying to do it yourself. That's a significant chunk of change. So, what's the solution? Professional rental cleanouts. A dedicated team comes in and handles everything. They remove all the debris left behind, assess any damage, perform a deep clean, and document the entire process. Your unit goes from a mess to move-in ready in a matter of days, not weeks. And when we say complete service, we mean it. You get full debris removal, a detailed damage assessment with documentation, and comprehensive before and after photos. We provide itemized lists of what was removed and the condition of the property. This gives you everything you need to handle security deposits properly and gets the unit ready for your next quality tenant without any headaches. Imagine this timeline. Day 1, the tenant moves out. By day 2 or 3, the professional cleanout is complete. On day 3, you're already showing the sparkling clean unit to prospective renters, and by day 7 to 14, your new tenant is moving in. Vacancy is slashed to the absolute minimum, and that rental income starts flowing again. Let's talk return on investment. A professional cleanout might cost between $600 and $1,200, depending on the job. But remember that faster turnaround? It saves you between $600 and $900 in lost rent. You're essentially getting a 50 to 150% return on your investment just from reduced vacancy alone. Plus, a professionally prepped unit attracts better, more reliable tenants. This is where Billy Goat's Hauling comes in. We specialize in rental property cleanouts for property managers just like you. We are fast, professional, and provide meticulous documentation. We understand the pressures of property management, and our main goal is to minimize your vacancy and maximize your returns. We're not just a service, we're your partner in success. Ready to stop losing money on vacant properties and make your life easier? Call Billy Goat's Hauling and Property Preservation today. Let us be your go-to partner for professional, efficient rental property cleanouts. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you.